हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आशा करती हूँ आप सब ठीक हो। आज हम इनकम टैक्स का पार्ट 2 करेंगे। आइए क्लास शुरू करते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू इनकम टैक्स एक्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एग्रीकल्चर इनकम? ए. इनकम फ्रॉम पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग। बी. इनकम फ्रॉम लाइव स्टॉक ब्रीडिंग। सी. रेंट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर लैंड। डी. इनकम फ्रॉम कैटल ब्रीडिंग। राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, रेंट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर लैंड। Following percentage in tea production is treated agriculture income? A. 50%, B. 65%, C. 75%, D. 60%. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, 60%. The agriculture income is exempted under the following section of income tax: A. Section 10, subsection 1. B. Section 11. C. Section 80C. D. Section 15. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, सेक्शन 10 सबसेक्शन 1. In case of woman SSC, her agriculture income of 10,000 will be included in her total income if her income is to more than the following: A. 3 lakh, B. 2,50,000, C. 5 lakh, D. 10 lakh. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, 2,50,000. Taxable income of Mr. X is 4 lakh. His agriculture income will be included in his for tax purpose if minimum agriculture income is the following: A. 5,000, B. 10,000, C. 20,000, D. No minimum limit. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, 5,000. Income from the rent of agriculture land is: A. Income from other source. B. Business income. C. Agriculture income. D. None. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, एग्रीकल्चर इनकम. Salary received by an agriculture farms manager: A. Salary income. B. Capital gain. C. Agriculture income. D. None. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, सैलरी इनकम. एग्रीकल्चर इनकम इज रिलेटेड टू: ए. कैपिटल, बी. लैंड, सी. मशीनरी, डी. नन. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, लैंड. एग्रीकल्चर इनकम इंक्लूड: ए. इनकम फ्रॉम फार्म हाउस एंड बिल्डिंग. बी. एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज. सी. बोथ. डी. नन. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, बोथ. Income from coffee manufacturing has been divided as: A. 75% as agriculture and 25% as business income. B. 40% as agriculture and 60% as business income. C. 25% as agriculture and 75% as business income. D. None. Right answer है ऑप्शन ए, 75% as agriculture and 25% as business income. Income from rubber manufacturing has been divided as: A. 35% as agriculture and 65% as business income. B. 65% as agriculture and 35% as business income. C. 60% as agriculture and 40% as business income. D. None. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, 65% as agriculture and 35% as business income. Non agriculture income is: A. Dairy income. B. Poultry income. C. Fisheries. D. All. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, all. Partially agriculture income is from: A. Self-growing tree. B. Nursery. C. Tea garden. D. None. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, tea garden. Agriculture income is A. Fully exempt, B. Fully taxable, C. Partially taxable, D. None. Right answer है option A. Fully exempt. Following percentage in coffee production: coffee ground, cured, roasted and grounded is treated agriculture income. A 65%, B 60%, C 75%, D 40%. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 60%. Agriculture activities are divided into dash parts: A 5, B 3, C 2, D none. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 2. Agriculture income has defined under section: A. Section 2 subsection 1A, B. Section 2 subsection 2A, C. Section 2 subsection 4A, D none. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 1A. Which of the following is not a direct tax? A. Income tax, B. GST, C. Wealth tax, D. Gift tax. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी GST. Tax is not valid. A. Planning, B. Avoidance, C. Management, D. Evasion. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी evasion. Determining the tax liability is called: A. Inquiry, B. Assessment, C. Scrutiny, D none. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी assessment. A senior citizen shall be that individual for purpose of income tax whose age is more than following: A 60 years, B 65 years, C 55 years, D 80 years. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 60 years. A super senior citizen shall be that individual for purpose of income tax whose age is more than the following: A 50 years, B 80 years, C 85 years, D 90 years. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 80 years. Under what condition assessment year and previous year are same? A. Speculation business, B. When business is related to perishable goods, C. When business is of buying and selling of shares, D. Shipping business of non-residents. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी शिपिंग बिजनेस ऑफ नॉन रेजिडेंट्स. ABC Limited is an SSC which falls under the following category of person: A. Partnership firm, B. An individual, C. Company, D. BOI. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी कंपनी. Main objectives of tax planning is: A. Reduction in tax liability, B. Maximize tax liability, C. Healthy growth of economy, D. All. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए रिडक्शन इन टैक्स लाइबिलिटी. राजा टोडरमल was related to: A. Industrial policy, B. Monetary policy, C. Taxation policy, D. Banking policy. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी टैक्सेशन पॉलिसी. टोडरमल अकबर के नवरत्नों में से एक थे. Any planning of tax which aims at reducing tax liability in a recognized permissible way can be termed as an: A. Tax evasion, B. Tax planning, C. Tax avoidance, D. Tax management. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी टैक्स प्लानिंग. Tax is levied on agriculture income when: A. Agricultural income is more than rupees 5,000, B. Total non-agricultural income is more than exemption limit, C. both, D. none. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, बोथ। हाउ रेजिडेंशियल स्टेटस इज क्लासिफाइड? ए. सिटीजन एंड नॉन सिटीजन, बी. ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट एंड नॉट रेजिडेंट, सी. रेजिडेंट, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट एंड नॉन सिटीजन, डी. नन। राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, ordinary resident, not ordinary resident and non-resident. Every year the residential status of an SSC A. may change, B. will not change, C. will certainly change, D. none. Right answer option A, may change. An individual may get income A. in India, B. outside India, C. in India as well as outside India, D. none. Right answer option C, in India as well as outside India. An individual who is resident in any previous year in the next previous year will be A. ordinary resident, B. non-resident, C. not ordinary resident, D. any of the above. Right answer है ऑप्शन डी, any of the above. A citizen of India who goes outside India for the purpose of employment, he must stay in India during previous year to become resident at least A. 60 days, B. 100 days, C. 182 days, D. 365 days. Right answer है ऑप्शन सी, 182 days. On the basis of residence, the SSC are divided into how many categories? A2, B3, C4, D5. Right answer है ऑप्शन बी, 3. 3 कैटेगरीज कौन कौन सी हैं? ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट, नॉन रेजिडेंट। A company does not become the following in the previous year: A. not ordinary resident, B. resident, C. ordinary resident, D. non-resident. Right answer है ऑप्शन A, not ordinary resident. The basis of determination of total income of a person is A. citizenship in India, B. residential status in India, C. both, D. none. Right answer है ऑप्शन B, residential status in India. Income received in India or deemed to be received in India is taxable in hands of A. ordinary resident, B. not ordinary resident, C. non-resident, D. all SSCs. Right answer है ऑप्शन D, all SSCs. Salary payable by the government of India to be an Indian citizen for services outside India. A. taxable in India, B. include in the total income for rate purpose only, C. not taxable in India, D. none. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, टैक्सेबल इन इंडिया. एग्रीकल्चर इनकम इन पाकिस्तान इज असेसेबल फॉर ए. ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट, बी. एग्जेम्प्ट फ्रॉम टैक्स, सी. नॉट ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट, डी. नॉन रेजिडेंट. राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट. How many basic conditions should be fulfilled by the individual in order to call resident? A. First basic condition, B. Second basic condition, C. both the basic condition, D. any one of the basic condition. Right answer option D, any one of the basic condition. If a individual is resident in India for 182 days or more, he may be A. resident, B. not ordinary resident, C. both A and B, D. Non-resident. Right answer है option C, both A and B. Residential status is determined for A. Assessment year, B. Financial year, C. Accounting year, D. Previous year. Right answer है option D, previous year. Indian income means A. Income received and deemed to received in India, B. Income accrued and deemed to accrued in India, C. Both, D. None. Right answer है option C, both. A non-Indian company is said to be a resident in India if dash is in India during the relevant previous year. A. Directors, B. Always resident, C. Place of effective management, D. None. Right answer है option C, place of effective management. X Limited is an Indian company whose place of effective management is outside India's. X Limited will be A. Non-resident in India, B. Resident in India, C. Not ordinary resident, D. None. Right answer है option B, resident in India. अगर आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और कमेंट बॉक्स में अपना फीडबैक दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।